Hey guys, we're back in the shop. Let's get the rest of this front end cleaned up right after the intro. Alright guys, thanks for coming back. We're going to clean up the rest of this front end, get a little better visual of what we've got going on. As you can see, it's kind of already back on two wheels. I need to get some stuff moved around, so I threw the forks back in it. They're not complete. They are lowered, but I still need to do a bunch of stuff to them before they're complete. But I just want to get them on there so we can sit it back down, moved it around a little bit. But we're gonna pull off all the front controls, the original gauges, choke, ignition, fuse panel. We're gonna get this whole front end cleaned up. So let's get right into this. I think for me the best for now is just gonna be a little bit of talking, and then we'll just go into time lapse and tear this stuff off and get it going. So again, thanks for coming in and watching. Kick back and we'll get into some time lapse on this one. Get this front end tore apart, and then we can get a better visual of how clean the front end of this bike's going to be. There we go, guys. I gotta clean up that top triple clamp. I'm gonna grind these off right here. Take them off. Take them off on both sides. Then I believe that these are gonna be threaded down in. Oh yeah, they're threaded all the way through. I'll probably go ahead and weld them holes shut. That way when I grind it, I can grind it all nice and smooth. There you go, guys. That kind of gives you the idea of what we're going with here. Super clean, super low, slammed right on the ground. Yeah, I think all I'm gonna do on the front end here that still needs to be done is I'm gonna just mount a small universal speedo right up here in the front, I think. Other than that, I'm gonna shave, like I said, I'm gonna shave these down and keep that front end super simple. I got a bunch of electrical here, you see that needs to be tidied up. I might end up making a small bracket too for the choke. I don't know if I can, I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I can come up. You know what, I think I'll come right off. I'll make a small bracket and I can bolt it right here, right up nice and in the center where it used to be, maybe up on, yeah, over here. That's where the cable kind of takes me. Maybe I can go right down here as well. But we'll get to that when we get to that. You can see these junk clamps. They're not gonna work, but at least it's good for mock-up. They came with the headlights, so I won't give them too much crap about that. Guess that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. In the next episode, I think we're gonna modify this tank and get it so that I can get the seat butted up where I want it. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you get that bell notification too. That way you're notified when I upload. I think right now Monday nights at 6:30 Eastern works best for me. It gives me time on the weekend to work on the bike and then get it edited and up onto YouTube. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. Thanks. Peace.